morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Thank you. Thank you for participating this event group discussion on time with the dress code. I welcome you all for this group discussion, and I wish you all are clear about what is going to happen right now. I request you, if you have any question, you can ask me.
No question.
You have any question?
No,
No, sir.
So all the information is given to you. I wish instructions are also clear. Okay. I'm sure you cannot see me, but I can see you all. So this is a team of 11 students. It is your group. Discussions will happen in your group. Okay. Now, be ready. Take your topic. Your topic is pros and cons of work from home. You have 10 minutes time to discuss, and whoever starts, your time starts from there itself. It's your time. Anyone can start.
Good
A
morning,
very good
friends.
morning, sir. And good morning, everyone. I am Harsha Nahata, and I'm welcoming all my team members. So, in this GD session, we are going to discuss about the topic pros and cons of work from home. So, first, I would like to discuss what is it, means what is the meaning of work from home. So, as we all know, the COVID pandemic. So, because of lockdown and COVID pandemic, every company and every working sector, they decided to continue their work. But we know the guidelines for the government, so we can't go the curfews and all and lockdown. So companies and government decided that employees are continuously working from their home, and it is very beneficial for the employees. And this is a difficult situation because everyone cannot beneficial and all these things. So now I'm inviting my other team members to share their views about this.
I'm agree with Harsha, because in this pandemic time, everyone do their work from home. This is very beneficial for us, because everyone balance their work life and also their personal life. They can do their work from home. They do their work, and as well as they give time to their family members, and also spend more time with their family.
Yes, I agree with you. And there a lot of they can save their money because when they stay outside, they have to spend so much of money for staying and food and everything. But when they're staying in home, they can take healthy food and they can save their money. That is the main
Okay,
advantages of
Rajeshwari.
work from home.
Okay, Rajeshwari, you give about the advantages of employees, and coming to the disadvantage to the workplace, and the line between the line work and home will be blurred, as you said. In general, employees leave work tensions at office and come to home relax. But in this work from home case, they are leaving the work and taking care of their family, and sometimes they they will be lost the opportunities, and it may cause anxiety if work and personal life are not balanced well. Work will extend it to longer hours, so this can create work from burnout. So employees will always feel tension when work was not completed at the time. They also not lost, sometimes get lost the workers also, employees also.
I do agree with you, Suresh. See, I can see a lot of there are a number of people in my family who is working from home. They're facing a lot of problems because company provides them good furniture, good infrastructure, and good conditions to work from in the office. Where it comes to home, here no one will get good for infrastructure, air conditions, all those, and good. There are some villages who don't have even internet facility to their villages. So, so they are not able to perform. They're coming to the freshers uh, who must need training. So they are not able to get the training from their higher officials. Due to this, they cannot perform their work on time. They are spending a lot of time till 2 p.m. And 3 o'clock like that to complete their work on time.
Morning, my team members. As
Um,
Ramesh and Suresh were discussing about, it was a great disadvantage being in working in home. Yeah, it's been a great disadvantage for everyone. It's been an advantage for many of the employees being in home, doing in work, and doing their personal life is quite good. But in the same way, as we think deeper into it, there is a lot of problem financial services which was given by the employee, which was given by the organizations to the people who is working from home. They are just getting a half of the salary or 3/4 of the salary as they are being working from home. Instead, if we go to the office and working in their infrastructure, as Ramesh said, they had a good infrastructure provided by the organizations and companies in nowadays environment and society. I think it's a great disadvantage for every one of them who is having a thought to do the work from doing the work being in home. It's just quite different being doing the work and quite different being with the people around him also. As they both said, I agree that it is a great disadvantage being working from home to the employee.
okay, so as we are talking about the work from home, so all of you are talking about disadvantages, but if practically we can see, the work from home is more beneficial for the employees. I don't say about the company and all this. Obviously, they are also get beneficiated, but the employees more benefited because some advantages like flexible schedule, like if we are going, we can take break anytime. We can go anywhere. We can attend anything, and when we are going to companies and when the offices, the time not permits to us to take any time breaks and holidays and all these things. And in my home, my brothers are working, so I can see them. If actually I have, we are having business also. So sometimes they also have to go to the shop for my father's help. So as they are doing job also, so they are scheduling their time like morning they are going to shop, and after that they're working. Means it's 8 hours, so they can manage their 8 hours anytime. And the second advantage is cozy clothes. Like girls like me and anyone can don't want to wear blazers, and they are very fashion affected. So they don't wear. They can sit easily home and can wear anything, and they are very comfortable for all these things. And as we all know, in lockdown, we all want to talk with our friends, family members, and all these things. So employees in offices, they can't.
Yeah, something. Yeah.
So if you work from company, especially girls, sometimes it leads to we must stay late nights in the company. If you work from home, we can stay at home at any time. It leads to 1 or 2 p.m. It will be our family members feel safe in if you are stay at home and work from home. If we are going to the company and we stay at late nights, the family members feel very tense and they are worried about us very. In the recent years, there are many cases rises for the girls. So the work from home is very beneficial for the girls especially.
Yeah,
I
even
don't agree with you, Bhargavi.
even
I do
Actually,
agree,
what
Bhargavi. We
offering
can give family commitment.
transport services. Yeah, continue, Rupesh. I will speak later. Continue.
Okay, thank you, Surya.
Yes,
By doing work
and
from home, we can give family commitment to our family. So we can arrange our work to um, the family. We can we can spend some time with them, and we can interact with them. Actually, we are facing lot of stress through this work, stress through work which we go to the company and have a lot of disturbances. So by giving family commitments, we can relieve our stress from them.
Yes, yes,
Bhargavi,
Rupesh, I
I'm
totally agree with.
answering to you. I don't agree with you, Bhargavi, because companies are offering a lot of benefits to the women, girls by
Yeah, they
providing
also
transportation
providing
facilities.
transport facilities. Yeah, they're also providing security even in organizations, sending them with two of drivers and one of something we call as peon, something etc. There is a lot of
But some,
and even
but
something to say
companies,
in a
so I
specific.
totally agree with you. But some companies are not offering for girls safety. So
Yeah,
most of the families are fear
yeah.
about the girl safety. That's why uh,
I
they are not welcoming to do their job. So many girls are. But coming to work from home, my friend also doing work from home. She is totally enjoy with her work. When
yeah.
coming to doing work in Hyderabad, they will not allow to work.
Yes,
Here,
Rajeshri,
in my
first I'm
point of
answering to
view,
you.
Okay,
Rajesh,
okay. So
Rajeshri,
something.
now we can see that there are facing a lot of problems from the husbands or family members. Now,
And
employees who is working from home are feeling that it is better to work in the organization, not at the home, because they
yeah,
are getting
they,
stress from the office as well as
Why?
from the family
Okay,
members
okay.
too.
Why
And
we cannot?
it
I
is
can
Why?
say Rajeshwari, I have some.
it is very
At our
important.
place, every organization
okay,
will provide
Why we can't
security.
in
manage
my
in
point
home?
of
Can
view,
you tell anything?
Yeah,
Why we
just
can't
1 minute.
manage in home?
Yeah,
There are
completely just one.
flexible times,
Rajat is saying every organization
interruptions
are
also.
providing security. While you are into an organization, you will particularly see what the security the organization is giving to you. And the second thing, as Bhargavi is saying that women are facing so many issues in outside. Yeah, they are facing. They are not facing. As we didn't say that they are facing, but many organizations will provide their security charges and their precautions while taking this movement as preparing from work from home. As the discussion is about work from home, we suggest that doing the specific work where it should be done is the better thing than doing it in another way. As for an example,
in
we
my
should go to
point
the
of view, for the employees, here the main disadvantages for the employees
same way do it in
is
the office in home. Yeah,
Surya,
continue.
here the main disadvantages for employees is
Yeah,
the productivity. We all know the every coin has two sides. So as an employee works for company, but he is work for himself also. Means the productivity is very important for each and everyone. So work from home, there maybe their productivity will stop. I can see they are become lazy and they don't want to uh, give their 100%. So I think their productivity little bit
I didn't get you. Can you repeat one second, Harsha? I didn't get you. I didn't get you.
means every employee works for their companies, but
Yeah,
the second part is they also work for themselves. Like the employee productivity is very important. Employee productivity means their future career. Means they working is not like working for the companies. They give the project, complete the project, and all these things. They
yeah,
gain the knowledge and all these things. So
yeah.
work from home, I think, in my point of view, the productivity is decreasing. Sometimes maybe decreasing day by day. So this is the main disadvantages. And
Yeah,
advantages
I want to
is
mention one.
You are saying both advantages and
Yeah.
the topic is pros and cons. So we can say both we can't say only advantages. We can't say what is the
Yeah, yeah.
disadvantages.
As you said, Artha, doing
Yeah,
a job is
yeah,
for
Harsha,
ourselves, right? Is doing a job is our is for ourselves.
Arsha, only advantages from work from home is only the time they got and the salary they are getting.
Yeah,
The more
yeah. As
in order
Ramesh
to
said,
work
working
from
from
But
home
Ramesh,
is
we can
just an
balance both
advantage.
work
Doing
life,
it in a
work life
flexible
Not
fashion.
every
Thing.
not every worker, not
Rema-
every
most of
employee
the
think like that. Everyone
less
thinks different,
interruptions,
and I think the
work from
productivity is very
working from
important.
home.
Yeah, nothing.
Good
I
environment
want to say is,
environment is very necessary in order to work from home. If environment not good, they cannot think, they cannot perform their work as well.
Okay,
So
I'm not denying your
if they
I'm
didn't
not
take
denying
proper
your point. I'm
training from the
only express my
employees,
point of view.
Guys, give me
if
another person.
excuse me.
if the employee
Excuse
the
me, can you
fresher
hear me?
didn't get trained well, he didn't perform, the project will not complete on time.
Okay.
It's the
Continue,
point of
Suresh.
view. I agree with you all, but it's my point of view. Everyone thinks different, so
it's a brain. I just want to say that working in home is just a great disadvantage because we just lost the financial services which is providing from the organization when you compared while going into the
Why we
organization.
lost? Why we lost?
If you're working from home, they won't give you the full payment, right? They will give you a half payment while you're working from home. Even anyone is getting a full payment.
Yeah, I want to say that they
No, not at all.
Where
not at, that is based
I want to say some of the companies which are giving
When
full
when
payment.
we're staying outside, we have to spend lot of money for staying and food.
For what? For being
Not
outside.
all the companies
Being outside, they
decrease
can
their
give
That
salaries.
all
They're
the
providing
companies will not give
full salaries to
accommodation.
the employees. Some companies are not providing full
After some
salaries,
time also they will give the
but they are providing internet charges and other charges to the employees.
Yeah,
They
they are
are
not, they
inking
are
a
giving
lot
internet
for
charge
the
everything.
employee.
So why there will be nothing lost to the employee while being in home. There is just loss in the salary you are committed to the organization. By having internet charges, you will have Wi-Fi, you will have many resources while going outside. You may have everything. Just an advantage is that it's been a great flexibility to be in working from home. So it's not an advantage in deeper while we get in knowledge to grow our career, get salaries. In many ways, it is not a great advantage. I think so. I think so. Not it is not a great advantage. It's been a disadvantage being working from home.
Yes, Sharma, you are right, exactly right.
But in this pandemic, our health is well. So if you are stay at home, we can eat the healthy food and take more precautions. It will be
If healthy food
Uh,
matters a
positive
lot, means they can take from their hotel. I mean, like they can take healthy food from their hostels also if they bother about their healthy foods.
Yeah, if they're
Not
bothered about their
healthy
health,
foods.
they will get a great healthy food.
Wherever they are, they will take care of their health. Definitely. Wherever
here
they
when
are,
we are
even
talking
at
about
their
the
home,
advantages,
Guys,
nice food, right?
there I think.
As they both sides. So everything has advantages and disadvantages. We must take everything has advantages. We can prevent our disadvantages. Make use everything has favorable to us.
If you use everything
every
as our
coin has a two sides. Like everything has a two advantages and disadvantages.
advantages, disadvantages. If
my
you use
point.
properly, we will get advantage. If you didn't use properly, we will get a disadvantage. That's it. Depends upon the how
My
you use only, how you take the advantages only.
Guys, in my point of view, work from home both helpful to employees and also
Yes, your
organization.
voice is not clear at all.
Okay, okay. In my point of view, work from home is both beneficial to employees and organization. In that, employees are getting salaries in their to in doing and keeping their in home.
Listen,
Yeah,
I will
so
next point I can explain it because of this lockdown period. The officers are getting the closure and they can no need to pay their lease payment and they are paying the salary. Though they can pay more salaries to the work employees, but they are not paying and they are giving only half salaries.
Yeah.
As of the Suresh also,
And you
we
can
say,
make promote while you being in an
yes,
organization,
we can,
being in a home.
we heard that about the Amazon call services. They are not paying they were paying the salaries to the employees as of that compared to the past. Now they were paying them more because of they were not paying the officers leases and this all. So they were getting the more profits as of the not work from home. Right?
Quality of work is important. While working at
Yeah.
home, their people will
They no need to pay the
employees
officers.
will
That's
neglect
why
that
they are getting the
work
more
actually. They want to work whenever they are free and whenever they want to when they were free and able to work.
Yeah, it even we can't concentrate deeply into the work also. As Ramesh was saying, we can't even deeply concentrate in the work also.
When we work
Being
in
balanced
office,
in quite family and the work is not the great
asset
situation.
manager or other managers will see the work. When
But
while
most
they
of
are
them think that
no one
working at
will.
office is better than compared to the working at home. We can't concentrate perfectly in the work, and there was many works like doing at home. Any all as for the girls only, they were having a many works at home by doing the helping to the mothers and everything. If anyone is not good, they can't concentrate on that work properly.
Yeah,
And
they can also have some other mental issues being around the
mental
home,
issues like a family
That
illness,
is what
family
I said
situation.
earlier also.
conscious.
If they are
Yeah, we
going
can
on to the family situations in
yeah.
difficult, they
If
may
anyone,
get depressed into their
Even if
depressed
we're
situation.
going
in
to
that,
office or not, even we have family problems.
Yeah,
we
but
can change it. No,
having it
we're
in
not
a
saying like
direct
that.
way,
As
being
of
in the
that,
staggered way, something different, right?
no, as of
Why
the
mothers will not
environment,
support
we
to
can
do
change our
work? They
mindset.
will
Yeah.
give permission to work.
Yeah,
Why
yeah,
there is
yeah.
one thing.
As you were saying, your
Oh, okay,
your
okay,
Permission
okay.
As we
When we are
go to the office, we
attending
can change our
classes,
mood and mindset, sir, because
yeah,
of that
civilization is much
location
more.
and that
That's it.
environment.
If you see it in
I
your
can see
straight eye,
that
it's something right, and you're seeing
my,
something.
my
Yeah.
mother will
many
give
MNC
permission to do work. This is important. No? Why will they will?
many companies were infrastructure were developing very nice, but they change the mood of the employees.
Once again, we can say the company point of view. Company can find the new talent. Means if any company have 100 employees, so by work from home, they can decide how many workers are really talented. Means how many workers are get promoted, and by their performance, the company decide the future
Yeah,
employees
if the
and
company decides what the advantage of being an employee versus being working in an organization,
if
it's
we are
a
working.
great opportunity for the company to select the
If we are
talented
working
persons, and the
from
remaining of them won't get be noticed on before of them. Right?
the main
If
point
you are
is
being an organization and you are dull in some situations, you can get
As
knowledge,
of
you
the
can get
work from home,
experience, you can go to
some
the
of them they
simulators,
can't
you can
concentrate
go
on their
to.
work properly, and they were losing their
this is the
They
promotions.
have
time
more
Most of them.
skills being in an organization.
I saw most of them they were losing their promotions at they were working at
Yeah,
home.
they will be, and the company will select
Because
some
of the
few of them.
some of
And
the
if
problems.
you are working in an organization and if
every
around this
company
situation, you
every
can you will
company
move
take their
yourself to
decision.
grow your career.
Every
Other the
company take
network
their
issues
decision
are
according to the employees performance. So work from home is a main advantage is to show
Also, your
their
knowledge is not clear.
Work from home is from home work is a good opportunity to employees, but we are talking about their performance and ability to
Yeah,
do work at the
it's
home.
not about the advantages, but
Okay, friends.
taken by the
No,
company.
Sorry to stop you. Sorry to stop you. Time is up.
the
That was
point.
a wonderful discussion we all had. I think it's almost done with you all. Uh, so as the time is up, I think we have to stop here. And further, I will give you who has done what and who did well, who couldn't do, kind of thing. Okay. It's good that you followed my instructions. I'm very thankful to you all. You respected my instructions, which I gave you yesterday. I'm very thankful to you for that. So as I told you yesterday, you will be checked with dress code, body language, communication, how good you are a team player, how good you have the characteristics of a team leader, how instantly you're responding, how you're able to initiate the talk, the discussion, okay, and how you're concluding. And unfortunately, there is no one concluding, no one bothered about the time. I clearly told you it is 10 minutes. I think Suresh, thank you, Suresh. He came up with the picture. He
Yes.
prompted you all, but you all are looking for your own self glory. My point is right, your point is not right, kind of thing. Okay, this is where companies want. How well you will gel with a team, that is important. When you're talking about a team, it is not you, it is we. Please understand that. You have to respect this. I'm seeing Naveen struggled a lot. His mic got a problem, he was talking,
Yes, sir.
but he's like a chorus. No one is giving attention to him. But I appreciate Ramesh once gave. I think someone has some point. Bhargavi is saying he stopped and let others talk. Okay, that is also important. When you are taking the team together and you are the key person, you are the kingpin of the team's harmony or unity for the team leader. Okay, and if you are talking, trying to showcase yourself, if you want to glorify yourself, I think no one will like you. Please understand that. Maybe in your personal area, if you want to do business, if you want to stay in your home, that will work. But if you want to do a job, you should be a team player. You should respect others. Okay. You can say, yeah, I think Rajeshwari wants to say something. I think why our friend Kishore is not speaking out. Let us give him, let us give him a chance. I think he should definitely have some voice. Everyone ignored Kishore. Poor fellow, he didn't speak it out. Okay, maybe at his personal end, many persons may not look at him, but if someone is trying to help Kishore, you will gain the points. Please understand. You talk about social service, no? So this is a group service you have to do here. You have to respect each and every one, irrespective of region, background, whatever, gender, male, female, irrespective of any personal trait, you should equally respect everyone. You have to do that. Okay, but I didn't expect this kind of this thing. And one more important thing is, this is a discussion. There's a huge difference between discussion and arguments. Arguments happen in the court of law. Okay, discussions does happen in corporate board meetings or management meetings or team meetings. Discussions happen in meetings. Personal egos, they don't play a role at all. Okay, so you put this point in one way that you're discussing. Okay, sometimes you can say, I think I'm wrong, what I said was wrong, I admit you, and from there I want to give you something more. You have to go that way. Okay, and someone said, I agree with you all, but this is my point, which is contradictory. You are saying you agree with you all, but your point is different. Okay, you can say, yeah, I respect your views, but this is my view. You can say that. Are you getting my points, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Is there any learning from this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what did you learn, Bhargavi?
Sir, I learned how to start this conversation and how to give opportunity to the
First of
others.
all, how to be in dress code, we learned.
Yes, sir.
Number one. Okay, Surya, what did you learn?
I learned how the discussion should be go on between a team, and how should we what we say, we should support the other who is not involving in these discussions and something else also. It should not be
Very good.
completely under ourselves. It should be done among other selves
We have to
also.
Exactly. Yeah, Rajeshwari, what did you learn?
Sir, I learned many things, sir. How to overcome the fear and how to express our feelings. Even sometimes we know the answer, but we can't speak out. When we participate in this group discussion, we can overcome that.
Good, very good. Ramesh?
Sir, I learned from this discussion that there should be a equal chances to everyone to discuss, and it is necessary to give equal chances and direct answer to the other speaker in the group, and how to conclude, and it should be on time.
Good. Rupesh?
Yes, sir. From this session, I learned that to give equal chances to everyone, and we are learning different points through different people who are participated
Yeah,
in this session.
you're learning from others in this. Good. Okay.
Yes, sir. Each and every
Naveen?
person have different views from that. I am learning that.
Correct.
From this session, I learned much, sir. That how to initiate how to initiate and how to give a permissions, how to interfere in between that, and before interfering between them, how we should respect them, like that. I learned much things, sir. And we shouldn't we should do as a teamwork. We shouldn't be a individuality like our own, sir.
Good. Suresh?
Sir, in this
What is your take?
and sir, through this session, I learned how to manage our words to agreeing with other words, sir.
Okay, good. Kishore?
Sir, from this session, I learned how to manage the time, and no other one was given chance.
Okay. No one will give you a chance. You have to take the chance.
Yes.
That's your learning, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir, when I'm speaking also, they're not.
You should
Sorry,
make
Kishore,
your,
for that, sir.
Yeah, I observed a few times Kishore gave his voice and no one cared about his point. I observed that. And if it happened with Naveen also, maybe the problem with Naveen was the mic. He has low voice, that created the problem. Later his mic problem got sorted out. Then you guys could hear Naveen. Then he could give his voice. Okay. So I wish now you got the
Trying to
learning.
talk,
Now
sir,
you're
but my
prepared
voice
for
is
the
not able to audible for everyone, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I wish you all learned in your own way. Okay, so maybe quickly some takeaways. Personally, Kishore, no one will give you chance. You already told me. I already confirmed the same. No one will give you the chance. You have to take it out. We have to interact swiftly. Your voice, your communication should be in tandem with the group. Okay. Initially, if you are starting, maybe people will listen to you. When you are in the middle of the discussions, I think it is hot. The group is hot. Okay. So it's very difficult to initiate, start, or give your voice in the middle or in the end. So always try to give your voice in the beginning only. Kishore, you have to work on the body language. You know, your face is almost the same expressions. Now also I have the same expression. Very serious. Kishore, put a smile. Yeah. Okay. Then Rajeshwari, you're everywhere. You started to initiate, but Harsha could do it. Yeah. Then your body language, your voice clarity, everything is good. You have been pinning everyone's point. If it is against you, you are asking, wow, how do you say that? Why like that? That kind of very rude way of questioning you have to avoid. Why are you saying that? Why? Instead of that, yeah, dear Surya, why you're saying so? Can I know that, please? No, you should be very formal and respectful to others. Maybe this is your team, you are like that. Assume all people you are seeing are unknown to you. Then automatically respect will come out. Okay. So apart from that, you are everywhere. Okay. You're trying to take the lead. Please let us listen to Surya. You're prompting that kind of words. Instantly you're talking. Fine. Then Suresh, I think in the initial stages you are there. Then later on, maybe you thought Why unnecessarily peeping in? Everyone is fighting. They will hit me if I go their peers into their meetings. Please try to avoid that. Try to give your voice, and it's good that you reminded the team of the time and try to conclude. Okay. Then Bhargavi, I didn't expect that you will be doing good in the beginning itself. You give good points, and that is the reason. Yeah, it makes your friends think about it. I think the whole group was talking about your points, security for girls kind of thing. Have raised points. Okay, that's quite impressive. And Ramesh, yeah, your communication is good. I think you are the one who was prompting. Let us listen to someone. You're referring to Rupesh or someone. You're giving the credit to others. That was so true. See, you started that, then some others also followed that. Fine. Then Surya, I didn't expect this from you. You're so good. I already told you that. Keep it up. But work on the basic things like your camera position. Okay. Don't show your head or top. I think Naveen, at last I could make Naveen change it, but still some of you are on. Rupesh, he tried to peep into in the beginning, but the others couldn't allow. I think it was Ramesh who helped him to talk.
No, it was me.
Gave your voice. You gave your voice and stopped there itself. Okay? Yeah, you keep trying. Keep continuing in doing that. Then Naveen, I think I already shared with you. Your mic got a problem, and later on you gave your voice. Okay, please work on your dress code. It's very important. So today, where did you lose? Your dress code, your body language, your face is looking like you're completely lost. Maybe you're feeling no one is listening to you. Okay,
Yes,
that kind
because
of
of my
impression.
voice
That's okay. So you're not responding to others' views initially. Later on, you could give. Okay, you should be instantaneous. Many times I could see you. Your voice was like a chorus. When someone was saying, you're also repeating the same. You can try to avoid that. Then finally, Harsha, I now tell you, you're the initiator, and you took more time. I believe this is one point you have to understand. I think you spoke for almost 2 minutes or 2.5 minutes. I recorded that. Okay. So when you try to give a lecture in a GD, you will be negatively looked at. I think one of you stopped the red. Who stopped Harsha? Surya or Ramesh? Rajeshwari. I think Rajeshwari stopped Harsha. If not, you would have been continuing. Okay.
Actually,
You
I'm
avoid
going
that.
to introduce for the topic. So, meanwhile, Surya is
No. Not initially. No, not initially.
Not
Later.
initial. Later.
You initiated.
4 minutes.
That was good.
I'll
You
rectify myself.
initiated. Initiation was good and it was short. It was so good. I'm not. You are the only one to initiate. I told you no. Rajeshwari and you wanted to do that and you did it. Okay. Later you took over and you spoke for a long duration.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So discussions should happen with KISS. KISS means keep it short and sweet. Don't try to be a lawyer. Don't try to be a politician. Okay. If you try to become a lawyer, I always tell Naveen, Rupesh, and sometimes Surya. Surya is not doing that right now. Okay. If you're trying to defend, if you're trying to give some excuses, you are becoming a lawyer. Don't do that. Lawyer is one way. He will not care about others. He loves to look or she loves to look. Others lose.
Yes, sir.
That's the motive of a lawyer, right? Yeah, don't do that. Okay. If someone is saying something, for example, I bluntly say, what Ramesh, how come you say that? You're completely wrong. Maybe I'm wrong, but he should respond pleasantly. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yes, Dr. Raju, I think what you said could be right, but still I have a point to convince you. You can say that instead of defending or giving some excuse. So I think this will do. This was a wonderful session. If you have any question to me, you can ask me, please. It's your turn now.
Yes, I clarified
No,
everything.
sir.
You clarified everything, sir.
No, sir.
I never look for a no. I look for a question.
You said what pros and cons of ours, sir.
I don't want that also. I want a
It's a good
question
question.
regarding this. Whatever the clarification I gave you, if you think on that, you will get new points.
Yes,
It is
sir.
not that I gave you important question for your exam. Okay. If you like my points, if you accept my points, if my points are understood, then you will get more points to ask. Okay. So yeah, I think Kishore, all put together. Kishore, you have to do well. If not, others will be riding on your time. You have to be very careful. Okay. Please inform Manishankar and Shravani. Suresh, please take this responsibility. Any question? One question. Last question.
Sir, how should we conclude at the
Yeah.
last after everything was
Yeah,
lost?
I forgot. Yeah, good. Yeah, actually, the time I gave you is 10 minutes. So who said that? Ramesh?
No, sir,
Suresh,
Suresh.
sir.
Suresh. Okay, thank you. I forgot that. See, if you ask me, there will be many things which can be covered. Thanks for asking that. I gave you 10 minutes and you did it for 25 minutes or something. Okay. So you never know what time will be given to you in your GD. It could be 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, or 1 hour. Okay. So check your clock. Let it be mobile or wristwatch or wall clock in the GD team or time on the screen. Stretch to that extent. Don't try to go beyond that. Like Suresh prompted me, I think someone else also prompted. Accordingly, try to give a conclusion. I think one of you said that it has both advantages and relative disadvantages. Suresh said that.
Harsha.
So me.
Harsha, sir.
Okay. Now, one male voice I heard. Who is that? Talking both positive, negative, advantages and disadvantages. Wrong. Okay. So one of you can conclude. Okay. So one of you can conclude, or few of you can conclude. Conclusions can be extended also based on the discussion. Okay. Conclusion should be based on the discussions. One more thing is kids are referred as boys and girls. Adults are called as man and woman or men and women. Try to make a point of that. Now you are adults. You are either woman or man. It is not girl or boy. Okay. Because Bhargavi has given a right point of women's security. She used the word girl security. Girls means it is not the gender here. It is the age which comes into the factor. School going girls, okay, school going boys kind of. So woman empowerment, woman security is different from girl security or kid security.
Okay.
There's a difference. Okay.
Sir, I have a question, sir.
Please.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు ప్రోస్ కాన్స్ గురించి మాట్లాడుకున్నాం సార్ అంటే టూ డిస్కస్ చేయొచ్చా ఓన్లీ ఒక పాయింట్ మీద స్టాండ్ అయి ఉండాలా
సార్ యువర్ వాయిస్
అంటే ప్రోస్ కాన్స్ గురించి టాపిక్ డిస్కస్ చేసాం కదా సార్ కొంతమంది ప్రోస్ గురించి కొంతమంది కాన్స్ గురించి డిస్కస్ చేశారు అంటే ఒకవేళ మనం ప్రోస్ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తే ఒకవేళ ప్రోస్ మీద స్టాండ్ అవ్వాలో కాన్స్ మీద కూడా చెప్పొచ్చా అని
Fine. That's a good point. What is that you have to conclude? For example, I myself as a faculty, now, first of all, you should understand In whose point of view you're discussing? Okay. Your work from home in employee's point of view, work from home in employer employee point of view, they differ. Agreed?
Yes, sir. Some noise is coming.
Yeah, I think now it is okay. Can you hear me, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Suresh, turn your video on. Rajeshwari, turn your video on. Kishore, turn your video on. Harsha, turn your video on. Don't go away. Naveen, turn your video on. Video's on. Just mute yourself. Surya. Rupesh. Surya, Rupesh, and Surya. Can you see them? Okay. Now the question is, Rajeshwari is asking, should we stand to our point? How should we conclude? First of all, any point, in whose point of view discussing, that is very important. Okay. Are you looking at employees work from home problems, advantages? Are you looking at employers, companies work from home, advantages and disadvantages? You guys gave very good points. I think Naveen gave wonderful points. He was saying that they're cutting the cost, but they're cutting the salary also. There is no rental payment, there is no lease amount paid, but still they can pass it on to employers. Actually, salary has to be more, but salaries are cut, but employers are blaming that they lost the business. That's a different story. But he has a valid point. They're saving several lakhs and crores of rupees on building rentals, and now technology, power, transportation, food, maintenance, surveillance, and everything. And moreover, they're cutting the salary. So he has a valid point. Similarly, in employees' point of view, securities problems, Rajeshri and Bhargavi, I think men are, please be careful. Women use security for women, work from home and working in the workplace. Security is a problem only for women. They're claiming that. And if a man violates that, that becomes a problem. You don't have concern for ladies. Please understand that point. Whether you're right or wrong doesn't matter. A woman is clearly pointing out that work from home gives a lot of security to work, in addition to cutting the cost to the company, as Naveen said. And some of you saying why it becomes a security problem. If a man is questioning, that becomes a problem. So like that, be careful in giving your view. Coming back to what should I conclude? Say for example, you started with work from home is good. Okay. But check out what is happened in the group. What did Harsha say? What did Kishore say? What did Suresh say? What did Naveen say? Take all those points. Accordingly, if you feel, yeah, I think what I said is what I feel right, because most of my friends, including Naveen, Bhargavi, Surya, they also said the same thing. I wish you, rest of you also agree with me. You can conclude that way. Or else, yeah, you said work from home is so bad, but others said that it is good. Yeah, initially I thought work from home is so bad, but from our group I learned that work from home is so good. It has many advantages. So I change my view and conclude that work from home is so good. You can conclude that way also. There is nothing wrong. If there is no conclusion, it's very difficult to conclude whether work from home is good or not, because still we need to dig out into more facts. We should get more information, kind of thing. That way also you can conclude. Okay. So sometimes conclusion happens for the group, but conclusions can definitely happen at your end. It's up to you. They answer your question, Rajeshwari?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Good. So
Thank
this
you.
is how, yeah. This is how you have to be a team player. There is no scope for self. We are part of a group. Please understand that. So Dr. Ghana will be let me know, and yeah. Someone is asking, Surya, yes. Fine. So, Harish, everything is sufficed. Okay. Okay. So be ready for the topic based on the pandemic issues. You had. I think today we did it on work from home. Okay. Like that, you may have many. Okay. Global warming. Okay. What are your or simply apprehensions on third wave? Okay. Forecasting third wave and future business. Okay. Impact of pandemic on education, impact of COVID-19 pandemic and its variants on business in India. Okay. Pandemic, COVID-19 pandemic, is it a opportunity or threat? Okay. How do you the role of digital market in pandemic situation? Okay. Indian economy and pandemic situation. Okay. These are the economy related. No one will ask you religious and political. You can take a lead. As a company is mentioned about marketing, you can work on personal marketing, telemarketing, digital marketing, e-commerce, okay, software products. There are many to work on that. I think I'm done with this. Once again, my heartfelt congratulations to you all to do well in this mock GD, which I didn't expect actually. Okay, I thought of doing one more or two more, but first one itself is so good. I'm sure you will do better with the real thing also. I wish you all the good luck. All the best. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Well.